Hello mga idol, kamusta? Meron tayong tanong na sasagutin na madalas itinatanong tuwing final committee interview. Ito ang tanong mga idol. As an IT graduate, how can you contribute to the PNP organization? Ito ang sagot ko mga idol. Ito ay sarili kong opinion. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, sir ma'am. Depende po yan kung anong oras ang inyong final committee interview. As an IT graduate, I can help to strengthen the PNP's IT infrastructure and prevent breaches. I can also help in the creation of apps that can be used during emergency responses and crime reporting. And lastly, I can help or contribute in the maintenance of PNP equipment and troubleshoot issues. Yung sagot ko mga idol ay simple lang yun o kaya basic lang. Pwede nyo pang dagdagan o palawakin. Depende sa inyong kaalaman tungkol sa IT. Para sa inyong mga IT applicants, sana makatulong itong sagot na ito. Yun lamang mga idol. Muli ito ang inyong Sir Jobs Mentor na nagsasabi ng Believe in yourself, trust God's timing.